This is the user persona builder template. And so the purpose of this template, first of all, is to visualize who you are selling to. And a lot of times these user personas are built so that you can be able to understand your customer. And so what this helps you to do is visualize and really get to know an example of somebody that you are selling to. And this requires a little bit of data. So entering demographic information and psychographic information, things that you should have already been collecting in marketing and in sales to understand the customer. And so what this is going to do is create a fake person that you can be able to talk about in meetings. And when you're marketing and selling to these people, you can be like, well, what does this person want? Right? What are they needing? And instead of having this general broad idea, you can be doing it for a specific person, for the ideal customer. And so this is what's going to create, you're going to be creating the ideal customer for your product or service. And so what it does is create the name, and then it's going to create an image prompt to be able to visualize that person. And so I ran it here. This was for a computer program service, and I was able to get a visualization of the user, and not only that, but a story to go along with him and talk about this person. And you can run it again and get several different images and be able to see, different versions of this. And you can be able to be like, yes, this is what I want. This is the person that is our customer. And there's a lot of ambiguity behind something like this, and it can take a lot of time to be able to create this. But this AI system, this AI workflow is able to help you with that process and be able to help you see, yeah, this is who we are. This is our type of customers. This is who we want to buying our product. And so we can be able to change what we need exactly for them. Right. And so it just helps you to see and understand what they need. And so it's not to take anything away from people who are already your customers. It's to help future customers and your current customers to be able to receive options and to be talked about so that you can be able to help deliver to them.